I know you're wondering how I got here. So the other day I hit my 5th day consistency in the gym. Somebody please celebrate me. You know, this is like, I know it's not much, I know. So this is my first time ever in a gym, and my trainer is, oh my goodness, oh my god. So hitting my 5th day in the gym without quitting, this chick had to get pampered. So my hair had been long overdue. It was, my braids were, they had overserved. I decided to get a moisturizing, relaxing, because this girl has suffered. And well, I went to the cheapest and closest salon to my gym. That's how we got here. As I get this hairdo, I'll be answering some of the most asked questions, like who am I, what do I do, why am I here, and blah blah blah. The list is endless, but I'll just answer some of them. So this hair process is quite simple. We undid the braids. We'll be having a relaxer. I had relaxed my hair sometime early this year, and so this is like a retouch. We've been like 4-5 months somewhere, and yeah, it's gonna be simple. Retouch, treat, style, and go. Well, my name is Mawa Sess. I was born and raised in Kenya, to be precise, in Kitui County, but then relocated to Nairobi after high school. If I had to answer this same question some months back or some like last year, it would be coffee. But currently, tea, any kind of tea, as long as tea, milk, white tea, flavored tea. Being a mom changes a number of things in you. It's like you get introduced to a new version of you immediately your child is born. So sometime last year, that is before I had my son, I was early bird, like early morning, you know, early bird. But immediately I had him, and now I think I function better during the night or maybe during the day. Currently, Bali. I love nature. I love anything to do with nature, you know, waterfalls, animals, like anything to do with all that. So yeah, Bali, but any other place that is beautiful and colorful, count me in. My go-to meal is pilau. I can make pilau at any time, any day. Well, I find it easier to make. It's quicker, less ingredients, and well, very tasty. So anytime I don't feel like cooking or I'm just exhausted, one of those days, I go for pilau. And yes, I do have a recipe on how to make the perfect pilau page here. You can check it out in the playlist or try it, save it, and let me know how you like it. Well, I cry a lot, and then maybe sometimes I talk to ChatGPT or listen to some music, some gospel music or a sermon. Well, this might come out a little bit, if I feel selfish or something of that sort. But one thing that I'm currently working on is me. I feel like most of the time I've been dependent on what people will say about me, how they will see me, how they'll view me, how they'll compliment what I have done. And I end up losing myself in the whole shebang. So in this season, or rather in the period, I am learning to love myself a little bit more, take care of my body, eat well. Because, well, when you are happy and your body and everything about you is okay, then every other thing around you will be perfect. So the habit that I'm trying to work on right now is just love myself a little bit, leave myself alone, be patient, stop comparing myself with every Tom, Dick and Harry, and just live life. I feel like there are two ways to answer this question. One, my love language, like how I love to be shown love, and two, how I show my love. So personally, I show my love through acts of service. I will help you. I will help anyone as long as you're my friend. Like, I'll help you to the best of my ability with everything I have, my energy, my everything. And how do I love being shown love? Through words of affirmation. I feel like just a small word goes a long way. I love thank yous. I love I'm sorry. I'm so big on conversations. Yeah, I love like I see you, I appreciate you did well today, and all that. I am all big on go girl, girls girl. I am all big on all that. So yeah, that is my love language. By the way, if you're watching this, please let me know the answers, these same questions on your side. Like, what's your love language? What's your best chore? What's your best meal? What do you love doing? Please let us get to know each other. And if you have not yet subscribed to this platform, what are you waiting for? Before you head to the next question, please hit that subscribe button. Hit it hard enough. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, which is my goal for this year. And no, that is my goal for this month. We hit 1,700 today, and I'm super excited. Thank you so much for watching, loving, and all. So let's continue growing. I love cooking. I love baking, anything to do with making food. I hate washing clothes. I hate washing utensils. Okay, maybe I love somehow cleaning my house, organizing, but the rest, oh no. Catch me dead. Postpartum journey is a journey that requires like 1 million people on board to help you. Not literally 1 million, but huge support. So for me, I have received a lot of support from my family, from my husband, and well, a step at a time. Some days are better than others. Some days are just days. Others are just days, if you know what I mean, you know. So yeah, majorly, I also feel like going to the gym helps you, feels like you're showing up yourself, so helps you to stop thinking a lot about life in general and just focus on yourself. So rethinking, loving yourself, adding into your cup constantly helps a lot with postpartum, especially CS. For a CS mom, I would highly recommend that you get a really good doctor to help you with the birth process, also to manage you after birth, because you'll need drugs, you'll need some sort of care, and well, a good doctor, a good gynecologist goes a long way. Motherhood has taught me a whole lot. One, it has taught me patience, a lot of patience, especially when it's feeding time and you're introducing new things to your child. Number two, it has elevated my level of fear. I'm telling you, when your child is not feeding or has a fever or just something that is not normal, your heart literally keeps out of your body. Yeah. And something else he has taught me, love. I have this kind of love for my son that is like inexplainable. I really didn't think you can love someone that much. And I have also learned to take care of myself, take care of your body. You know, when you're sick, he's sick, or you know, you get my point. Just take care of yourself for him. So there's no perfect formula to I am quite intentional on being, when it comes to my son, I want to be in his life. I want to do most of things for him, that is making his food, ensuring it's perfect, coordinating what he eats, with the time he showers, ensuring that his body is oiled properly. He has oh, my brain come back. He has, oh my goodness, what is this name? Yeah, he has eczema, and so I always want to make sure that his body is perfectly moisturized at all times. So for that reason, I try as much as possible to record, or rather shoot my videos when he is asleep or when he's just busy. So I also have a nanny that helps me a lot. So when he's like napping or playing, at least now then I can make my videos. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I love making content for you. I hope you love watching them as much as I love. And until next time, adios.
Mix me with the drama, check you like commas, clothes or pajamas, straight from the cold plunge. Daytime baddie, use her mind, quick switch of the fit for the night. Swerving through the lane, we'll be 20 minutes late, cause we had to do an in and out drive-by. It's not that deep, I'm not that drunk. Sometimes girls just gotta have fun. Throw it back, all that ass, me and my sis way too.